Traders, hello. It is Monday night, just past 9:30 Monday. So typically not a lot really is happening, and I've just got the AUDCAD up. I've been talking about this for a little while now. I got a question on LinkedIn, and I appreciate that. I had a screenshot to the gentleman that asked what would be a sell signal to me. I don't have an automated system. It's it is discretionary. What I do look for is a candle, something like this, but I want it to close into the 97s, and I want it to break below 98. And the thing about this is, though, I mean that was a low of 97.82. But I would be aggressive and I would take the trade, and the stop loss would be up here at the 55-day moving average. That's something that I back tested and forward tested. I did a lot of forward testing and back testing in 2017. This is just a simple trend trading system. But this week especially, this week and last week, and the whole of April has been pretty uneventful in regards to trends. So what happens there is I just sit and wait, and I'm not too phased. Just having a look at the Aussie dollar as well. This red line here is what I would be looking for the candle to close below. And when I'm talking about looking for certain candles, this is something that is embedded in my subconscious. So if someone, if you're asking me in-depth questions, I just see it and I know. So I can't, it's hard for me to actually explain to you, but, I'll try my very best when I do see a setup to expand upon that. But I mean, this isn't something that I'm doing to give out signals. It's more just talking points and just to show my journey from beginner trader. As you can see, I've got over 800 videos on the YouTube channel that you guys are watching now. So it's a whole history of me going from absolute raw beginner to where I am now. And then, I will be trading a bigger account probably next year. I mean, I'd like to say this year, but I've got a few things to take care of financially. And then after that's done, I definitely, I'm probably about 10,000 at the start of next year would be a realistic goal, and then we just sort of grow from there. And eventually I do want to manage money for people, and I don't have any concerns about doing that. So the channel really is it's trend trading based. So you're not going to see me go to the minutes, the 5 minutes, the 30. I'm really not concerned about that. I will maybe look at the hourly just to see, get a gauge on intraday what's going on, what the feeling is in the markets. But I take the entries with the 4-hour candles, and I look for a trend to develop on the daily time frame that sort of gauge my interest, so to speak. Because I mean, there's so many pairs that you can look at. It can get a little bit crazy. So, and I understand you can automate it all, and maybe later down the track I will, but I'm not really too phased about that right now. And this is what appeals to me. So you've sort of got to trade, not comfortably, because trading isn't ever going to be comfortable, but what makes sense to you. And I was doing some day trading with penny stock stuff. I've sort of stepped away from that a little bit, mainly just because it's just crazy with the schedule. And I was paying quite a lot of money to have a demo account, and it was just a little frustrating. And the capital required is quite a little bit more compared to Forex, and there's quite a lot of hurdles in regards to hardware and software required. And my internet's not the best here. I can't help that. NBN's coming, but it was just a lot of headaches. And I just, I do trading to better my lifestyle. I don't want trading to be a whole heap of work. I've already done that with Forex, and the day trading was very frantic, and I have enough stress in my life. I don't really want to add with that. So that's just my opinion on it. Will I continue? I will monitor stocks for swing trades, but I'm not really interested in, and there's nothing really that I've seen. Well, higher price stuff, yeah, potentially, but nothing in regards to lower price stuff, and that's what's relevant to me with my account size. So, alright, so the pound, nope. So, I mean, I've gone over the purpose as well, so that's really what it is. It's not signals, it's more discussing trade ideas And then if you want specifics, feel free to message me and I'll discuss it privately. My Skype, everything's in there. Skype would probably be the best way to, get my message across to someone. And I also offer coaching as well for Forex. It's not systematic stuff. It's more keeping you accountable, establishing rules. It's more, I'm like a coach. I'm keeping you into the rules of your system, making sure you don't deviate. And that's what I'm offering. But I will discuss systems. I will discuss systems with someone if they're interested. But again, it's not scalping. I'm not doing anything like that. It's more, higher time frame stuff. And the New Zealand dollar. Look, I'm in USDCAD, sorry. So there's nothing really to talk about. It's been a pretty big day. My arms are sort of like hurting. When they're really hurting. So what's going on? AUDCAD. So I finished on the AUDCAD, and to the gentleman asked the question, really, a candle like this would be good. It would be really good. At the time, I think I was fully loaded on trades. I couldn't take this. That's why. So I do have rules. Maximum risk on the table is 6%. And that's, yep. Anyway, so that is the update video, guys. I appreciate all the feedback that I'm getting, and feel free to ask any questions. And bye for now. Good luck. Happy trading.